The rising wedge of Bitcoin is breaking down right now. So, and we have to talk about the potential targets here to the downside and how low we will actually go here for the immediate short term. And guys, make sure if you're new to the channel that you subscribe, leave a like, and also click the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And let's directly go into the charts here. So here on the daily chart, we can see that the Bitcoin price had broken out initially out of this rising wedge here, so which is atypical for a bearish pattern like this. So but this sometimes happens from time to time, that we see this, that the price is going against the technical indication, but we learned really quick that the Bitcoin price came back, that this was just a massive fake out, and now that we are breaking down out of this rising wedge to the downside. So by textbook, the technical target would be here from where we started drawing it at $15,500. But I'm not quite convinced that we will get that low for a Bitcoin. So the immediate short-term targets that I'm looking at are here, the $16,550 level and the $16,100 level. So that is my take profit zone for a short that I'm gonna open once we are breaking $16,900. So there would be my entry. So now let's see here, short. So here, if we take this like this, so let's say here would be my stop loss. A little bit lower. Yeah, so there you go. So there we have a risk to reward ratio of 2.45 to 1. So is not really good, but it's also not bad. It's over 2, so that is still on the scalping side a risk that is, in my opinion, worth taking once we are breaking here $16,900. And guys, don't forget, if you want to short or long Bitcoin or also Ethereum and a lot of other cryptocurrencies, you can do that on BYBIT, and there you still get $30,000 in free bonuses with my specific link here, and also on Bitget $20,000 in bonuses only with my specific link, guys. Please check that out. So now let's have a look on some other charts here. Here on the 4-hourly chart, we can see that we got rejected here from a really important level. So, and let me draw this here out a little bit clearer for you. So here, so you see now why this level is so important. So because here it acted as support when the price came down to test this level. Also here it came down, tested this as support. Here again, here we broke it. So, but then here we had a retest and failed, and there it turned into resistance. And now we had here a step through candle trying again to get into that zone, which is now turned into massive resistance, and again got heavily rejected here to the downside. And also on the next level, so which was here the price at $17,200 was resistance, resistance, resistance. Here we tried to break it, again tried to break it, here failed to break it. Here we broke it finally, but because of the resistance just above us, we got hammered down and broke this former support, which was not long support, and are now trending under this. So I will not open a new long position until we break above that level once again of $17,160. Only from there it makes sense to open a new long position to trade all the way up to this resistance zone here. Until then, I will not open any long positions here on a Bitcoin. So when we go here to the daily chart, on another 4-hourly chart, then we can also see how beautifully Bitcoin bounced from our support zone that we have from $16,760 all the way up to $16,900. But on the stochastic RSI, I would like to see a clearer sign of a turnaround, because this could, still looks weak to me, and we could see the next candle or the candle after that going here lower, working its way into that support zone that we have, and then also actually going to breaking it, because you know, the more often we test a specific level, it doesn't matter if it's to the upside or to the downside, the more likely it is that we will actually break it. So, and that is something that we have to keep in mind also here right now. Guys, that's it for today's video. This was a quick one today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.